Not seeing the iOS 27 beta update on your iPhone? Don't worry, it happens more often than you'd think. In this video, I'll show you the proper way to get the iOS 27 beta update to appear and install it on your iPhone. First, make sure you're using an iPhone that's compatible with iOS 27. Now let's try the easiest way to get the iOS 27 beta. Open the App Store and search for the Apple Developer app. Once you find it, download the app. After installation, open the app and if any prompts appear during setup, go ahead and allow them. Next, head to the Account section and sign in with the same Apple account you're using on your iPhone and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, go back to Settings. Then scroll down to General and tap Software Update to see if the Beta Updates option appears. If it's still not showing up, force close the Settings app and open it again. Then go back to General and Software Update. In many cases, the Beta Updates option will now appear. If it's still missing, open Safari or any web browser and go to beta.apple.com. Sign in or sign up with your Apple account and follow any prompts to complete the enrollment process. If you're asked to agree to the terms and conditions, go ahead and accept them. Once that's done, return to the Software Update settings. You should now see a Beta Updates option. Tap it, select iOS 27 Developer Beta, then go back to the Software Update screen. Give it a few seconds to refresh, and the iOS 27 Developer Beta update should appear. You can then download and install it just like any other iPhone update and enjoy all the new iOS 27 features that make your iPhone look and feel even cooler. Thanks for watching till the end.